little children would prefer to stay at home. Go home early. Then. Actually, seeing the past president speak tonight, as I'm the type of person who would taste each single thing at a time. Sinusubukan ko po lahat, little by little at a time. I don't go too deep. And when I was a new member of Toastmasters, he was one of the new members as well. And we were one of those who would tend to stand outside this building and decide whether to give our speech or not. Yeah. Because we were scared of the evaluators. There were times when we were evaluated really in a manner which is challenging and very challenging for your pride. As a learner, we may tend to accept what they say, but sometimes it tends to scare us of giving our speeches. We tend to back out. But there were also times when I've seen how these members grow. Few years before, I would see them shake when they stand in front of club meetings. Few years ago, I would hear them hardly say a word in front of the meetings. Looking at them now, looking at the past president speak today, if I may, and forgive me for my excitement, looking at him, I tend to become lazy. Because nasasabi ko po, I think my work is done. Kasi, sabi ko nga, sabi po ni Ma'am Grace, there is strength in numbers. Eh ako nga, rebelde, di naniniwala doon. Eh akin po, I believe in quality. Kahit konti na, even if I train up a few men and our path may cross only a few times, but if these men will grow deep and the seed that I have planted will be rooted in them deeply, these will be the powerful ones who can manifest my image. Hindi po, I'm not acting. Kasi nasabi ko po, I told them before, do not speak because you want to show off. Do not speak just because you want to please people, but speak because you have a message in you. And when you speak with a message in your heart, you embody that message until you become the message itself. Somehow, I'm beginning to see that in them. And maraming salamat po. Let me leave you with this thought tonight. I gathered this thought after observing few or a number of learned men. Some are in power, some are in government, some are in high positions. If there's one thing I learned after watching them and observing them is this, that some learned men what some learned men miss to learn is to be open for more learning. Even if the new abolishes the old and established. Yan po ang pinakamasakit. And because Toastmasters is about learning, I will not be focused on inviting more people as the some of the vice presidents. Also, I'll help. But my goal si Ernie nung nag-inaugural speech, ako din my goal, sana, when I step down, I will see people with a kind of power inside of them. The power of truth. Ika nga, the true mind cannot be lost in all the lies and illusions of this world. A true heart can touch the poison of hatred and never be harmed. Because since beginningless time, darkness thrives in the void, yet yields to purifying light. Malalim na yun. Nagsisimula ka na mag-zen. Ang sinasabi ko po, in any endeavor, huwag po tayo mag-isip na may good and evil. Kasi darkness does not exist. Why? Because darkness is merely the absence of light. And nagkakaroon ng darkness in isang class o isang grupo, pagka walang umaattend, kasi wala na nga light. Kaya nga may candle tayo kanina. To signify light and fire. Minsan namamatay. That's absence. Now, because it is absence, it does not exist. It is all in the mind. Kung kakayanin natin to, nasa atin. Good evening.
Thank you, Advanced Toastmaster Bronze, our President of Cebu